Okay, for this long division problem, here's something new, a little bit different, but lucky for all of us, the steps are actually all the same. So what I'm talking about here, and this is the problem, this is for like the test review here, 2x4 minus 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by, and here's what's new. Right, we're fine with this polynomial. Luckily there is no missing terms, but here's what's new. This one will be squared. Anytime you have anything squared or to the power of 3, you cannot use synthetic division, so you're forced to use long division. Another thing that's new is now this will have 3 terms. Before, you were just used to seeing something like this. See, like where you just divide by, something like this, x plus 1, or where's my other ones? Oh, sorry, got to move forward. Or where's the other ones? Geesh. Or the ones with like a fraction. Why don't I have it here? Like this, sorry. See, like this, or where you have a number 2x plus 1 or 3x minus 5 or whatever, but it's only to the power of x, to the power of 1, sorry. So when it's just x, you can do synthetic division, or obviously long division. But once you have x squared, you cannot do synthetic division. You're forced to have to know how to do long division, so that's why we learn long division. Okay, so we've not done a problem like this before, so that's why I just wanted to put it here and make sure that you are aware that you can handle this, because the steps are the same. So this is the divisor. And 2x4 minus 4x3 minus 5x squared plus 3x minus 2. The steps are the same, right? The steps are the same. Remember the steps for division? Divide, multiply, subtract. So here it is. How do we do division? You just look at the first one and you just look at the first one, remember? And then you just like, this times this gives me what? I mean, it's division, right? So we got the answer and we got one of the factors. So that's going to be a 2x squared, right? 2x squared with this x squared will give you 2x4, right? That was the first part. That's division. Now multiply. Multiply this to what? Each of these. Remember before there was maybe only 2 or something? Well, now there's 3, but it's the same. There's one more. Okay, big deal. 2x squared times x squared is 2x4. 2x squared times another 2x, that would be 2 times 2 is 4x, and then 2 is 3. And notice how they're lining up. And then negative 2 times 3 is negative 6x squared. It's the same. It's really not too much anything new, right? You can handle it. Then what does subtract do? Subtract, that negative sign in front of all of these will change the sign. Change that to a negative, change that to a negative, change that to a positive. Okay. A positive 2 and a negative 2, that gives you 0, that goes away. Negative 4 and now another negative 4 added is negative 8x cubed. And then plus 6 take away 5 is 1, so 1x squared. That is it. That is one round, and it should be similar as like before, with the long division. All right, so keep going. Let's drop the next one and just repeat the process, right? Again, only look at the first one, only look at the first one. This is the answer. This is one of the factors. What do I need there? Divide. Okay, so that would be a negative 8 and an x, right? Yeah. Now multiply this to each one of these. That would be negative 8x cubed negative 16x squared. And see, this is another way that you'll know that You're doing it right. These degrees for the variables should be lining up. Minus what? Oh, no, plus -3 times -8 plus 24x. Yeah. Now what? Now, subtract. Subtract changes that from a negative to a positive, from a negative to a positive, from a positive to a negative. All right. And as you can see, well, I mean, the long division is the long division. That's it. Just because you have x squared or 3 terms here, the process, the steps are the same. Drop this last one and we will be finished. One more round. Look at the first one, look at the first one. I already have an x squared that only has an x squared, so only 17, right? All right, now multiply 17 times each of these. 17x squared plus 14x. Oh, what the 14? What am I doing? 17 times 2 is 34. Oh, whoa. What's going on right there? 34. See, don't go fast. Oh, I thought 7 times 2. 17 times 2. And this is a negative 51. I think I know that one for sure. 17 times 3, or negative 3, negative 51. All right, and subtract. We'll change the signs. 17 goes away. That adds up to 0. That will be a negative 55x plus 49. Yeah. All right. Wait, let me check my paper here. Where is it? It's just doing this right now. Why do I not have it? Oh, yeah, that's right. I got it right. Just checking my work. All right, now the answer. Remember, the answer is this quotient up here, right? Don't leave it like this and just leave it like this on the test. No, you gotta tell me what the answer is. This is my remainder. Remember, this is the remainder. This is the quotient. That's the divisor. So the answer is going to be this 2x squared minus 8x plus 17, my quotient here. And what do I do with the remainder? You write the remainder over the divisor, plus this negative 55x plus 49 over what? X squared plus 2x minus 3. Oh yeah, you guys can do it. Easy peasy. All right, good luck, guys.